Walking back to the power source to make simple parameter adjustments takes time and exposes you to potential slip, trip, or fall hazards. ArcReach technology allows you to change weld settings from your ArcReach wire feeder or a stick-TIG remote, saving you that trip back to the power source. ArcReach helps improve efficiency with industry-leading technology. Cable length compensation automatically adjusts the voltage to counteract drops caused by long weld cables. So the voltage you set on your power source is the voltage you get at the arc. Adjust While Welding allows you to make parameter changes while the arc is on, so you have higher quality welds with less rework. With front panel lockout, plugging in an ArcReach accessory automatically locks out the power source controls, so the risk of inadvertent parameter changes can be avoided. You'll get more arc on time, reduce the risk of slips, trips, and falls, and improve your bottom line with ArcReach technology. Visit millerwelds.com/ArcReach for more information.